Okay, here's an easy method of trying to fit these 3 springs and balls to the Morris Minor gearbox first and second Syncro hub. First you need to get a tie wrap, which you can buy in packets from hardware stores, and it needs to be wrapped around the gear and tightened up really strong. This is one I've prepared earlier. Now with the inner hub with the slots for the Syncro mechanism upwards, fit the tie wrap over the gears. And then press it beyond the slotted gears here. Just need to ease it over with a driver and push it down till it's flush with those gears. This allows you to access the holes, where you can now start by putting the spring and ball in. And this method allows you to do them one at a time because the tie wrap is flexible. And then the last one. Now just centralise the tie wrap around the spring balls, and now it's ready to be fitted to the outer hub. Now with the inner hub with the cutouts for the Syncro ring upwards, the gear has to be with the gear, the part of the gear here upwards. First you've got to line up the plunger pinhole with the relieved gear tooth in this wheel, which is here, and there's the plunger hole. So I line it up, like so. So that's how it fits, but we have to do it from the other side. It makes fitting a lot easier. So I'm just checking that that relieved tooth is in line with that plunger, and I'll pop this in the vise. And then you just lift up your gear ring and it pushes the tool off, and you've now assembled your Syncro hub.